Hello everyone, greetings from Team ELECTROSAL. Today we are going to present you project model number 716 titled Solar Powered Smart Grid with Load Priority. Now let us look at the hardware and the working of this project. Hardware part includes the system is powered by a solar panel which charges 12 volt battery to provide renewable energy to the loads. At the center of the system we have the Arduino Uno. This is the brain of this project. It continuously monitors the battery voltage using voltage sensing circuit with potentiometer adjustment. We have used the 3 relays to control 3 different priority loads. The highest priority load is bulb, the medium priority load is fan, and lowest priority load is motor. Each relay is driven through a relay driver circuit which safely interface. For demonstration, we have also provided grid supply through this adapter which automatically powers the system when the battery voltage becomes too low. This completes the hardware section. Working of this project includes when sufficient solar power is available, the battery remains around 12 volts and the Arduino keeps all 3 loads on. As you can see here, the battery voltage is about 12 volts and all 3 loads are on. As the battery voltage drops to below 12 volts, the low priority load is turned off. As you can see, the battery voltage is 11.1282 volt and the lowest priority load is turned off. If the voltage drops below 11 volt, the medium priority load, that is this fan, is turned off. Now medium priority and lowest priority load are turned off. And if the battery voltage drops below 10.8 volt, the bulb is turned off. When the battery voltage falls below the safe threshold, that is 10.8 volt, the Arduino automatically switches the system to the grid supply backup. Here I can reduce the battery voltage to 10.8 volt. Now you can see this relay is turned off and this bulb is powered on through this grid supply. This intelligent load prioritization helps in sufficient energy management, extends battery life and ensures that important loads always receive power. With this note, we conclude our presentation of solar powered smart grid with load priority.